Okay, carpet cleaning world, I want you to see something. This is the area I just cleaned, and this is the area that I still have to clean. Look at that difference. Look at that. Now, don't take my word for it. I have a Pica tube right here on my tool right here. So I want you to see, if you're in doubt about when people brag about when people talk about the drying power of a steam action machine. So bear with me here. You see that tube right there? I'm drying again. I'm just going over what I just did. I want you to see the tube. See how dry that is? Look at that. Look at how dry this is. Now, can your truck mount do that? Can your truck mount go back over an area you just did, and then you can see at this tube right here how dry it really is. I like to have this tube on here because I keep doing dry passes until this tube has no liquid coming through, no moisture coming through. This is how you know that the carpet will be dry in 2 hours. I'm telling you, this is how you test it. This is how you show your customers. You show them while you're there. You let them watch you through this tube and watch how you're drying up the carpet. And when you don't see any more liquid coming through, like you don't now, that's how you know the carpet will be dry in 2 hours. You take care now.